How much does it cost to replace the engine air filter and cabin air filter? Let's start with the engine air filter. Why is it so important? Well, it's your vehicle's first line of defense against contaminants like dust, dirt, that can potentially damage the engine. A clean and functioning engine air filter ensures that your engine receives a steady supply of clean air, leading to better fuel efficiency and overall performance. On average, you can expect to pay between $20 and $50 for the filter itself, with labor costs adding an additional $20 to $50, bringing the total cost to approximately $40 to $100. So, when should you replace it? The frequency of engine air filter replacement depends on several factors, including your driving conditions and the manufacturer's recommendations. In general, it's a good practice to check and replace the engine air filter every 12,000 to 15,000 miles or once a year, whichever comes first. Moving on to the cabin air filter. This filter ensures the air you breathe inside the car is clean and free from pollutants. The filter itself can range from $10 to $30, with labor costs adding an extra $20 to $50. Therefore, the total cost for a cabin air filter replacement is usually in the range of $30 to $80. Just like the engine air filter, the cabin air filter replacement interval varies by manufacturer and driving conditions. However, it's generally recommended to replace the cabin air filter every 12,000 to 15,000 miles or once a year. By keeping these filters clean and functional, you not only ensure the longevity of your engine but also breathe fresher air while driving. And remember, for all your automotive part needs, head over to Parts Hawk now. Don't wait, give your vehicle the care it deserves. Click the link in the description to shop now.